When you have kids, cleaning the car seat is a daily chore. It's hard work to get the stains out of your seats and keep them looking like new. The BDK PolyPro car seat covers full set in charcoal on black are great for getting rid of those tough stains that come from eating dirt or drinking from cups with sippy tops. These polyester covers also repel germs, so they're ideal for child safety concerns as well. Features: 1. Protects against spills and stains. This set of car seat covers provide comprehensive protection for your seats, protecting them even in the case of spills and stains. The innovative material is soft to touch but also durable, with a high level of grip that prevents slipping. They are easy to clean after use as well. Best features: made from PolyPro, which can resist liquids. 2. Breathable material. The key to a comfortable and safe car seat is the breathable material. With this in mind, BDK made their PolyPro car seat covers with 2 layers of 100% polyester that are also moisture-wicking and quick-dry for maximum comfort. The charcoal color on black will easily match your interior design or any vehicle seats. 3. Stylish design. BDK has a very stylish and modern design. The charcoal gray color looks great on any car seat to add some style, while the black piping in the middle adds that extra touch of sophistication. What's more, this set includes all 4 colors so you can match your seats perfectly with your interior. 4. Easy to install. If you have a car seat, then the BDK PolyPro car seat covers will be invaluable. They are easy to install and come with Velcro straps that make it really quick. You can put them on in just seconds without having to worry about fiddling around with buckles or zips while your child is asleep in their high chair or booster seat. 5. Universal fit. BDK offers a set of 4 car seat covers, 2 in charcoal on black and 2 in Baltic blue. These are the perfect vehicle for any occasion or seasonal change because they are suitable for both cars and trucks. They also come with an additional bonus that includes a removable washable cover to keep your seats clean when you're not using them, so needless to say, this is one stylish way to protect the interior of your car from dirt accumulation while adding some style at the same time. 6. Some additional work may be required. The BDK PolyPro car seat covers come in a package containing 6 different seat covers, which is great because it means you're likely to have one that fits your car perfectly. However, they may require additional work once they arrive. For example, some people find the seat cover material to be very heavy and difficult to remove from its packaging. However, this can easily be done with just a little effort. The BDK PolyPro car seat covers are easy to put on and take off of the seat. They look good, but they can also be easily removed when you need to clean your car seats or change the covers because the material is machine washable. Overall, these make a great purchase for anyone looking for new seat cover options.